Hi guys, welcome back. Right, this video is basically we're going to be putting this on the AP900. As most of you will know if you've been on my channel, I've got a SMK AP900 in 2.2 bottle with the B with the bottle. This is a set of stickers for the action. Now you get two of each, so this is two left hand side ones, and you also get two right hand side ones. The reason for that is if you ever do any maintenance or like that and you have to peel it off to get to your pins or like that, you get a spare set. So now these are from a group on Facebook. It's an AP900 group. Details will be coming up underneath. It's a Facebook group, and all the details of their address and everything will be in the description and coming up on screen. We're going to be fitting these today. I don't think it's going to take a long time. I'll take you through what I would do. I'm not telling you to do it like that. I will be degreasing the action first with some chain degreaser that I've got for motorcycles, but I'll be degreasing it. I've put a lot of stickers on things over years, and I think the way of success is preparation. If you just stick them straight onto your action, they'll probably come off because you'll have greasy finger marks on there, you'll have dust, muck, whatever. You need to wipe it over with something to get rid of all that. I'm using motorcycle chain degreaser. You can use whatever you want. I'm not telling you what to use. I'm just saying you need to clean the action. In the instructions it does say clean the application area and let fully dry. So you can do what you want. You clean it how you want to clean it. Okay, so I'm going to go get that degreaser, get the gun, and we'll take it from there. So stay with us. Hi guys. It's not chain cleaner degreaser that I've got. It's actually brake cleaner. Mine's acetone free. This stuff's brilliant. It takes grease off, it cleans stuff. I use it on all sorts of stuff. It's not just for brakes. And I don't know if you can see on here. Can you see that? I think that's like bits of grease and that. That's what I'm saying. If I stuck mine over that, it'd stick on. I'm not saying it won't stick on, but I don't think it'd last long. You know, if I just rub my finger on that, you can almost see it coming off. So I'm going to give that a clean with this brake cleaner. Now you don't need a right lot, okay? I'm just going to do it off camera, this. It's just basically 3 very quick squirts. You don't want loads of it. And then we're just going to wipe where the decals are going to go, as you can see, look. Okay. Make sure it's really well rubbed in to wherever you're going to be sticking those decals. Right. Now this dries pretty quick, and as I've already said, I ain't telling you to do it like this. Alright, you do it how you want to do it. This is how I'm doing it. So that's, sorry, I've got a bit of a tickly throat. I mean, you can still see them marks there, like, so I'm you know, maybe it won't greasy, I don't know. So this is the left side, and basically, like I said, you get 2, and the reasons for being, like I've already said, just in case you need to ever peel them off, basically. Now I'm going to try and do this for you best I can. So I'm going to go for the biggest one first. Now the way I'm going to do this is I'm going to stick it onto end of this, right? And all I mean by that is I'm just going to peel this back, because really you don't want to be touching with your fingers the glue. So I've basically peeled that off and it's stuck on end of there. Okay, you can use whatever you want, a knife out of your drawer, you know, whatever. And then you've just got to make sure that you get it on straight, unlike me, which is, hang on guys, you see what I mean? It is a little bit faffy, but think that's it, isn't it? And I think we're right. So a nice press down. Some decals actually need a little bit of time to go off, you know what I mean? So sometimes when you stick them down, some instructions that you get with them do say to leave them for a few hours. These don't say that, but as a rule of thumb, I wouldn't be putting these on and rushing out into the garden and, you know, and shooting the gun. I'd let them cure. That's the word, isn't it? Cure. Now I've just broken my own rule and touched that sticker, which I shouldn't have done really, but there you go. Right, so it's just getting them placed right. Yeah. So as you can see, it's coming on. Now next one is going to be this. And as you've seen, guys, I mean, there's going to be times where you will have to touch them. I mean, just make sure your hands are clean. I give my fingers a wipe with the brake cleaner. Oh, it is brake cleaner. I'm thinking it's chain cleaner. Yeah, I give my fingers a quick wipe when I had that when I had that rag, when I cleaned this, I give my fingers a quick wipe. So just sort of degrease yourself and take your time. There's no rush. That's it. Happy with that. There you go. And the last one. Okay. So there's where we are at the moment. Right, I'm going to turn the film off, the video off, and do the other side, because it'll just be boring watching the same thing. And I'll show you when it's done. Well, there we have it, guys. Just take your time. So that's that side done. Getting this one over here, it's just a case of being careful over cocking lever, and then that's the other side. So then you get these stickers that are in front of us. Right, guys, when you come to put these on, I've peeled backing off that, you've got to be really, really careful. So the stickers are on this, on the front, so you've got to get that back in, and as you can see it's coming off, but some don't come off. When they don't come off, do it from this side and bend the paper, stick it down and bend the paper, stick it, and it should, there, look, you see, it should come. Bit faffy, but I've decided to go with this white SMK because I think it'll show up on carbon. So we're going to just place that there. As you can see, I've got some tweezers now because it kept falling off my knife. And I'm just going to put that there. Try and get it as straight as possible. And once you get that down, just use a card and go along it, and you'll take out any bubbles. Okay, so just go over it all. Don't have to press right hard, just make sure it's down. like I say, I'm using these tweezers now. If I can get them in, that is. Right. So now you've pressed it down. Be really careful taking this off. Really careful. Watching that it's not lifting. And there you go. What do you think of that, guys? That looks quite good, doesn't it? And then just give it a little press down with a cloth. Make sure it's stuck. There you go. Nice, eh? So let's have a look what we're going to do on the other side. Right then, guys, as you can see, I've gone for the Snowpeak AP900 in 2.2, which is what my gun is. And I'm just going to line this up. Just put it down. Like I said, don't go too mad, and then just use a card. Again, you don't have to press, just go from one end to other and you'll take out any bubbles. You see? There you go. And then be really careful when you're peeling this off. Just take it nice and steady, as you can see. Just watching for anything lifting. As long as no lifts, you're alright. There we go. And look at that. Lovely. And we'll just give that a little dab. Make sure it's down. And that's it, guys. Put that back under. As you can see, I think that looks quite good, I have to say. Now there's still some other stickers if you want to put some more on. You've got a Snowpeak, you've got a Shootsafe. You know, that could go somewhere. If you wanted on your bottle or something, I don't know. I could have put it on there, I suppose. But Snowpeak on one side, and then other side we've got SMK and that carbon. I think that looks quite cool. Yep. So that's it, guys. That's the kit. That's what you're getting. Just show you this side. The kit is £15, including track delivery. And like I say, if you go on Facebook and have a look at the details, they're all in description. They've been coming up at bottom. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I enjoyed putting it on. And I think, you know, along with carbon shroud on barrel, I think that looks quite good. I'm going to get the stock back on now, and I'll do you a quick picture of it all rebuilt with its sight on and everything. So just bear with us, those pictures will be coming up. But thanks for watching, guys. If you like it, give us a like, give us a thumbs up, send us a comment. Right then, guys, there you go. I think it looks quite good, that. Got stock back on, scope back on, the old Goyo geothermal. But that looks quite good. I like that. It catches sun. It's nice. Yep. Happy with that.